Hey guys, we got Kaylee down again today, but right now I'm making some chili, and I forgot to start recording from the beginning, but I'm just going to show you what I did so far. So I diced up green pepper and onion, and I put it on for about 5 minutes, and then I just put the hamburger in, so I'm going to fry that up now. I didn't have any minced garlic, so I just put in some garlic powder for flavor. I know, right now it doesn't look very appetizing, but it will by the end of it. And there we go, guys. But I just need to let it simmer for like a little while. But I used a bean mix instead of just like black beans or pinto beans. I used a bean mix. I drained them off and I put them in, and now I just gotta let some of the liquid boil off. We emptied a box of cat litter, and Pumpkin's been inside the box ever since it's been empty.
Yeah.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
He likes it now.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Is that your little house? Is that your house? Yeah? All right. He's not going to answer because you're calling him Mike.
What?
You're fired, she said.
I'm fired? Fine. I give you nothing no more.
Alright, here's my chili topped with some cheese and sour cream. And we got scoops to scoop it up and eat it with if we want to. So, bon appetit. Here, Pumpkin. Mommy tuck you in. There you go. Tuck you in the bed. There you go. Have your CP. Have your CP. Okay, guys, get this. We woke up today, and until about a half hour ago, it was sunny, and there was no snow on the ground. If he has to pee, it's okay. And I just looked outside, and look at it. Look. Within a half hour, this is what it looks like. Crazy. Gotta love Cape Breton weather. Go ahead, Odie. Go ahead. Mike's going out with the broom to clear that off. I'll get out of his way. I just did like 3 loads of laundry. I washed the I washed our mattress cover. Mike's upset about this. I washed our mattress cover, and then I washed our sheets, and now the comforter's in the dryer, and everything else is back on the bed. And fresh sheets, and then my sheets are washed, and now, yeah. So I'm just going to heat up some supper. We had, Mike had an eye doctor appointment yesterday, so we went to that, and then we stopped at Superstore, and we got, what are they called? Chicken tenders and potato wedges from Superstore. So I'm just going to heat them up in the air fryer, and we're going to finish them off for supper tonight. So I'm going to do that now, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. Out for a walk with Odie. I don't mind walking in the light snow. So we're going for a little walk. It's like -3 degrees, it says. So I think that's like in the low 30s in Fahrenheit. So we're just out for a little walk. He doesn't even really need to go to the bathroom because he went like an hour ago, but when we just let him out in the yard to use the bathroom, he went on his own. But I still like to take him for the walk for the routine of it. Plus it gets me moving too, right? So that's what we're doing. Gotta love this. Tomorrow it's going to be +6. Gotta love this temperature up and down and up and down. No wonder I'm not, my allergies are going nuts. I'll turn you guys around, let you look around. Odie's having a grand old time sniffing at the tree. trees are getting snow covered a bit. I don't know if it's, yeah, it's picking up on camera. I can see it. So yeah, this is what we're looking at today, but it's supposed to turn to rain this evening, like tonight sometime. So this will all be gone tomorrow. Just enough to make a little bit of a mess. Oh, I should take a picture, Odie. What do you think? Yeah, maybe we'll take a picture. Get your bone. Give me that. Give me. Give me. Give me that. Give me. Oh, you little buggers. Scratching that. Oh. Look at the couch because the blanket's not covering it. Here. Here. Go get it. Puts it right down at Mike's feet. Give me that.
Give me that. Give me that. Mine.
Throw it at us. Throw it at us.
Why, we showed at him.
Give me that. Give me that. Give me. You like your rawhide, don't you? Well, no hide. Tigger, you're not getting your cookies yet. It's not time for bed yet. It's not time for bed yet. No cookies yet. You can sit there and wait all you want, but you gotta wait till bedtime to get your cookies. And this guy's out there eating. Give me that. Go get him. Get Pumpkin. Get him. Get him. Tigger don't want to play. Get him. Get him, Odie. Take it easy, though. Watch it if he got his claws out. You don't even care. Odie, when Pumpkin was little, he used to take Pumpkin's head in his mouth. And we used to have to tell him to spit the cat out. Go get him, Odie. Get him. Go get him. Go get him. They don't hurt each other. Are you getting saucy? Are you getting saucy? Are you? Are you getting saucy? Uh-oh. Okay, he don't want to play anymore. He's hiding. They're all boys, so they'll play and they'll rough house. And then when Pumpkin had enough, he'll run and hide somewhere where Odie can't get him. And then Odie backs off. So don't worry. Nobody gets hurt in the process of the playing. But Odie gets a little hyper around this time every night and starts playing. So this is part of the daily routine here with these guys. So yeah. So it was a pretty uneventful day. We just did laundry and hung out around the house. So nothing too entertainment this time. So, but you know, at least it's something. This is what, okay, Pumpkin's going crazy. It's probably because of the snow outside. But yeah, nothing too crazy. Today was just a hang at home day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care of yourselves and each other. And I'll see you guys all here back on Monday. Bye, everyone.